Hello, I'm Steve Watson here at Someday Farm with today's Tàijíquán Tip. This is kind of a fun one. You can do it a variety of different ways, but the idea is to give yourself blinders, so limit your peripheral vision, but we don't want to have that limited peripheral vision also limit my awareness. So I'm working against, or I'm working with the challenge of the limited visual capacity to the periphery, but I'm not accepting that in terms of limiting my awareness. So I'm essentially reaching my awareness beyond the vision. So you could try this a couple different ways. I've certainly practiced it with kind of something zipped up or brought more forward, but this is what I have. So you might immediately do this with your ears. You might find your eyes trying to work to do what they normally do with very little extra effort. And you may use something more like an expanded chi field or intuition, or something that perhaps you can't name or adequately express with somebody else. So give that one a try and have fun. And remember, if your teacher hadn't expanded their vision, you wouldn't be where you are.